As 2018 comes to an end and the start of 2019 is round the corner, I wish you all a very happy new year. Today, I'm confident that Modicare can change lives. Today, I'm confident that we can make a difference. Today, I'm confident that Modicare is going to be an integral part of India and how India works and moves. Making in India has been a great inspiration to all of us. My inspiration and my hope for 2019 is making in Modicare, making success in Modicare, making joy in Modicare, and more than anything else, making Azadi in Modicare. This mantra, I'm hoping, becomes your life. Soch badlo, khud ko badlo, dunya badlo has many faces. One is living the Modi way, two is success, and three is changing India. So let's join together in making this mission a reality of Make in Modicare. And I look forward to seeing you in the cities soon. Jai Hind.
Wish you a very happy new year. Wish you a very happy new year. Wish you a very happy new year.
Wish you a happy new year.